get with this crap, people. I want bets. Comment below if you think it's going to ever work. Because I don't think it will. Because, well, in my opinion, it's a piece of junk.
Well,
Chip seems to think it'll work.
We'll just have to see what we...
Do you think it'll work without professional help?
I think we're beyond... the sad part is, people, I think we're beyond professional help.
They refuse to talk to us at the clinics anymore.
Yeah. People say he's too loud.
Some people say I'm too loud. I don't know why.
Some people say we're weird.
Some people say I'm weird. I don't know why. All I can hear is morons typing in the comment section.
Comment below.
Comment below if you're one of them.
So, let's get on with it.
Shall we?
What's going on YouTube? Dorito.
And the Lucha Camera here.
And today, we're going to go ahead and do a little bit more of a review of the TronXY 3D printer.
We're going to try at least.
Yeah, we're going to try. Luch got it together. He put it together. We're going to check and see what the issues are with this and go from there.
Besides it not working.
Yeah, we're assuming this isn't going to work from the gate. I reached out to a company, and they're actually going to calibrate it and go over the whole thing. And the guy's fairly confident about it. But let's see what issues we have right now before we have to send it out.
We couldn't make it work.
Keep this in mind. I'm not saying right now that in Nara's Luch that this is completely a bad printer. It has some flaws that can be corrected and stuff, wouldn't you say?
A lot of them.
Okay, but as far as somebody just buying it and not knowing what they're doing and putting it together out of the box.
That's going to be rough, people.
Yeah, I can't say as I suggest that. So we're going to give this thing its full chance to be a good 3D printer. And right now where we're at, as far as user-friendly, somebody new that's a hobbyist trying to put this together, I wouldn't
might not be the best idea.
Yeah, I wouldn't suggest buying it. So, anyways, take it away, Luch. Let's see what problems we have.
Well, first off, it's obvious what the main problem is here.
Yes.
Out of the box, people, this will not print anything as it sits. You got to have a stable table. Repeat after me.
You got to have a stable table.
You got to have a stable table.
Yeah.
Without a stable table, a little wobble down here is going to be ginormous.
A lot of wobble up there.
Up here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Second off, you got the dual Z-axis.
Yeah, it's like a T-rod.
And it doesn't really go down evenly. So it kind of jams up, like, you know, like your Uncle Freddie that got shot in Nam and got some shrapnel in the head.
So it would be fair to say that it needs a lot of calibration with this.
There's going to need to be parts made and calibrations performed.
Okay.
Okay, first off, they're going to need some kind of skid plates down here to keep this stable on each side, because a single one isn't going to do it.
Okay.
So you're going to need to put them on both sides and keep that table stable. Repeat after me.
Keep the table stable.
Keep the table stable.
Okay. So what was the other issue with you said they're going up and down?
Up and down. It goes up okay, but once you get it to a certain point, it just cocks itself.
It locks itself.
It locks itself.
Okay.
And,
so what else?
as you can see, there's a lot of wires, people.
Yeah, so the wiring needs to be cleaned up a little bit.
You got to clean up. I just threw this together, people. I'm no expert.
Yeah.
Mind you.
Yes, mind you.
It's got a stable aluminum base, I guess, and some aluminum towers, but it's going to need a little bit extra.
TronXY.
They're proud of their name. They put it on everything.
Yeah. So basically, you think, you know, as far as you're concerned, it's really not a good printer.
Not out of the box. You gotta get some more stuff to make it work.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna see if more stuff is gonna help this thing to work.
Yeah.
Aren't we?
We're gonna see what these guys got up their sleeve. We're gonna reach out to people that build 3D printers. They calibrate 3D printers. They program them. They do all that. I'm gonna take this to them, and they're gonna have it for a week or two, and they're going to calibrate it. The guy says he will get it perfect. Well, let's see what it does.
Let's
He's
see
gonna
what they
explain it
need
all
to
me
do to get this running, people.
and everything, because I really am interested in this 3D printing stuff. Luch was doing a couple things. I think it's really cool, and it's not a competition.
It is a competition.
So,
You see, it's a little thing called what Luch got, Chip wants.
but cheaper.
You can
That's
make neat
straight
stuff with them
Yeah. So
if
we're-
you have patience.
Yeah, and I think it'll be some really cool videos of going ahead and making something and catching it.
What are you gonna make?
You know, and I don't know. Let's see.
What are you gonna make on this?
I don't know.
Not a damn thing.
We'll see. I take that challenge.
Okay, people, we're gonna make a bet here and see what it's gonna take to get this working right.
Before we do that, stand by, Buckaroo. We're gonna plug this thing in, and you're gonna run it through.
Oh, really?
You're gonna run it through the stuff.
I'm afraid it's gonna blow up.
Okay, well let's see.
Here's the cord.
Okay, we got the cord. So let's plug it in. Okay.
Okay, no smoke. Okay.
So far, no good.
But it's got a switch in the back, people. A power switch that you can flip on. And oh, look at that. It lights up. Look at this.
Cool.
There's a little red light down here. Whoa. People, don't stare directly into the light.
Well, it works.
We're lit up here.
Well, it's
As
lit
you
up.
can see, it
But
does
it
say
works.
printer ready. Although, it's not ready to print.
Okay, let's see what we got to do here.
I'll push a button.
No, do you know how to run the programs on this?
No! This came with 0 instructions.
That's the problem.
So, not only do I have to search 2 hours and sign up for some bullcrap
Thanks, TronXY.
to get the instructions, then it still doesn't really quite tell you how to do it.
So there's another issue too, guys.
So
Keep
I
in
just
mind,
went and
there
pushed
is
the middle
no
button.
instructions that came with this.
And after pushing the middle button, it comes up with some instructions you can do. So if you go down, you got quick settings, position, extruder, fan speed, and SD card. SD card is what you're going to print off of. So you don't go down there until you're ready to print, because this thing ain't ready to print, people.
Okay.
So we go back up here to position. And we want to go on to positions, and it has a little arrow pointing that way. So you push the button over here, and your position is home all, home X, home Y, home Z, X position fast, X position, Y position. You get the print, the message here.
Okay, so let's zero.
So let's go to our Z position, and we want to move it fast. So we go to Z position fast, so we can try and move this axis down. So we push that button, and then we go wherever we can, down 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters, 6 millimeters, and look at it go. It's starting to go down. And we want to take this bad boy all the way down. So we'll keep pressing the button until we figure it's going all the way down. As you can see, it is moving.
It's supposed to move that slow, correct?
That's about as fast as it's going to get.
Okay. So that's working then.
Oh, wow. Yes, that part is working. But you get to about right here, and it'll start getting all wiggly on you. Want me to keep going?
Well, we get the picture. We can speed this up.
We can?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Back. Y position fast. Let's give it a try, shall we? Look at the Y go. Y go? I don't know. It's not going to print anything. Why go? Look at it. Why go back? I don't know. It's still not going to print anything. Look at how it's...
That is pretty.
So if you were trying to print something with that, Good luck. So, go back. Now we can go X position. Fast, and let's go. And as you can see, it does go back and forth, but it does go a little herky-jerky.
Yeah, it does have some chop in it.
Without a smooth transition of power there, you're going to have a problem in your prints, people.
Yeah, so I get that, I see. Okay, so what other points? Can we get this to come back up real quick and see what that does?
It does go up.
I can see it starting to come a little bit.
Does it wobble?
A little
Does it
tiny
do the wobble? Can you wobble? Wobble?
Okay, so overall from what I see, and you can agree with me or disagree with me, everything definitely needs to be calibrated. The bed, something needs to be done about that.
It's all there, it just needs a little help.
Yeah, so overall, I don't know if it's a bad unit, and we're not going to say that it's a piece of junk. We're going to say...
Out of the box,
Out of the box...
it's a piece of junk.
Yeah, you're not going to get it working. So
Never.
Yeah, so I'm going to get this over to somebody and get them to calibrate it and make sure everything is perfect on it. And then we'll get back to you guys on this. So I guess this is going to be a 3-part video.
What part is this?
This would be part
Is
D.
it D?
D.
Part D?
Yep. So,
Much
anyways,
like this piece, it's a D.
Yep. So anyways, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching Dorito and Lucha Cabra. And don't forget, hit that like.
We'll try and get you something printed out of this at some time in the future, people.
Yeah, leave a comment below. Tell us what you guys think. Tell us if there's anything that you think we missed or anything you think we should have done. Because we're no pros at this. This is something new.
Besides throwing it out.
Yeah, completely new to me. And I, like he said, when I looked at it, there was no way I was going to be able to put that together myself. So, thank you, Lucci. You rock, bruh.
I know.
Yep. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching Dorito.
The real rockers are you people.
Yep.
And the Lucha Cabra.
Rock on.
Rock on.
Peace.
My biggest fan. Hey, look, it's
No, that's not your biggest fan. Your biggest fan is who?
1701. He's hiding down there. I can hear him.
Yeah. Fan? Are
I
in
hear
there?
you, fan.
Hey. Are
You're
you
in there, aren't you, fan?
You in there? You in there?
It's amazing. He speaks like the wind.
Peace.